Welcome back, Outlaws. On today's adventure, we check out a helicopter removing palm trees from a canyon, so stay tuned. The other day, we noticed a helicopter flying really low over the canyon, so we decided to check it out and see what it was all about. After doing a little research, we found that a local organization was helping remove palm trees from the canyon. These palm trees, Washingtonia robusta, or commonly known as the Mexican fan palm, are non-native to this area or these canyons. There are several other species of palm trees and other plants that also need to be removed. Not only are these palms invasive, they're also a fire hazard. This is a photograph from the fire last year in the canyon. Navajo Canyon is within the City of San Diego Multiple Species Conservation Plan open space park and consists of 141 acres owned by the city. San Diego Canyonlands, in partnership with the City of San Diego and the San Diego River Conservancy, are restoring and enhancing the 7.2 acres of wetland, riparian, and upland habitats within the canyon. The removal of these palms is one of the steps in restoring this habitat. An estimated 557 Mexican fan palms and 43 Canary Island palms will be removed on this project. After looking at the radar signature and the flight pattern of this helicopter, you could really see how busy they were on this day. The pilot and the co-pilot of this helicopter had some mad skills, and it was really fun to watch. I'll stop talking now so you can enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for joining us on the adventure today. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a like, and sharing it with a friend. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.